Good day, guys. In this year 2026, building a Telegram bot has shifted from manual coding to agent orchestration. Using the Replit Agent 4 interface, you can now build, secure, and deploy a fully functional bot, complete with a database and AI personality, without ever writing a single pip install command. And of course, before we start, we need to firstly create both accounts. So in order to use the bot father, which is this one right here, the bot in Telegram that allows you to create bots, you will need, of course, an account first on Telegram. So just go ahead and create one. It's pretty simple. In some regions, as far as I know, it's possible to register with email, but in some others, of course, you will need a phone number. So just grab your phone, register. If you're using our desktop, I recommend, of course, logging in through the web app. Sorry, not the web app, the desktop app. You can use the web app if you wish. And of course, just search for BotFather in the search here. And as you can see, I've already had some work done here. You can also open the app if you wish. And then as you can see, we can create a bot here, or you can just use the chat. We have some commands in here, as you can see. You just open it. Oh, it's actually used here. Okay. And then we can start working here. So before you begin, of course, the registration process for both services is actually pretty easy. So you just type in Replit, like that, go to the official website, and just make sure to create an account. So in order to make one, you can use, as you can see, these things as follows. You can go with Google, which is the fastest way, I would argue. You just choose your account, integrate it into Replit, and then just start working. You can just go with email if you wish, just a easy way to sign up. GitHub, if you maybe already have some works done in the coding space, X, and Apple. And then just, of course, open up your Replit. And this is going to be your interface. And here you will start. Just like I told you, you will need a Telegram, of course, account. But in here, let me explain. So first of all, this isn't an ad or anything like that, but I highly recommend, if you're really going to be serious about creating something in here, and also the bot for Telegram, I recommend upgrading to the Replit core. So why? Because there's a plan button, as you can see, that you can use, and this will be much more efficient. So as you can see, it allows to brainstorm ideas, plan work before starting a project. So this is why generally you would get this. So pretty much what this gives you when you're, for example, inputting your prompt, the AI will ask you questions, you will answer them, and then your project will become way more structured, right? Instead of just letting the AI go and letting him freestyle fully, you can just specifically plan and point out what you want to do and how you want to do it. So as you can see, and collaborate with Replit Agent without editing your app's code or data. So this is going to be very useful. If you don't want to do this, that's fine. You can just use it for free, and you can use the agent credits that are not infinite and they don't update. So always when you use this service for free, you will eventually run out of credits and you will have to upgrade to core anyway. So if you're serious about this, yeah, just keep that in mind. Okay, and when you're ready, of course, make sure to give your AI agent a prompt. So my prompt will be as follows. So as you can see, I'll be building a Python Telegram bot using the Python Telegram bot library. It should have a start command that greets users, help command, and should echo back any message I sent. So this is going to be my prompt. You don't have to, of course, copy it word to word and letter to letter necessarily. Just freestyle, or maybe if you have a plan, that's even better. Be detailed, and of course, don't overclutter the prompt with too many words, because you will be able to adjust anyway as he's creating things for you, and then just click on generate. And now you can just type in the prompt, and after that you can watch the build. So the interface will shortly change to a little bit different. You will see that. And Agent 4 will now enter plan mode if you've chosen it, of course. If you click this button, and it's scaffolding your Python environment, installing the required libraries, and writing the asynchronous logic. And there you go, as you can see, the interface has changed. And in this year, the agent handles the webhook versus polling setup automatically based on what's best for hosting. Okay, and while it's doing its work, we can actually go back to Telegram and begin, open up our app and begin creating a new bot. So create a new one, and now, as you can see previously, we actually had it a little bit different. So you had to input your bot name and username as well in here. But now they've created a really handy app, and that's pretty awesome. So as you can see, you can upload the image to your bot, kind of like something that users will see when using it. Then you type in, okay, and then of course give it a name. I'll just name it test bot 123. You can add about, and of course don't forget about the username. So in my case, I will give it test, something like that, just, you know, to give it some kind of name. And as you can see, the bot, 3 letters of bot, they necessarily have to be at the end. And after that, when you're done, create a bot. There you go. And now you can manage it. Click on it. And as you can see, now we have a key that we will need to input in here. So it's going to be our secret key. So as you can see, you can access the API of this bot and of Telegram by using this key. So just press on copy and then insert it right here. So it's a token. And then just press on continue. Okay, and now it's working. Okay, and after that, and this is the most important step, never tell the agent your API token in the chat box. On the left sidebar, click Secrets and add a new secret with a key. And the Telegram token will be the key, and then just paste your code from botfather as the value. So as you can see, I did actually give it my key. It asked for it, so I guess it's new in 2026. And after that, you can, if you did it the second way and not how I did it, you just tell the agent, I've added my token to the secrets tool under the name Telegram token. Update the code to pull the token from environment variables using OS environ. And then you just head back to Telegram and be sure to start your bot. So, and also as you can see, we have commands. You can add them. You can pretty much customize anything you want. Test the, as you can see, choose the information about it, choose the images. Also, we have mini apps. So you can just create your bot as a mini app, just like this botfather one, and then customize it. And that's pretty much it, guys. Always use the secrets tool, and you've gone from a blank prompt to a hosted AI agent in under 10 minutes. If this helped you guys, like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.